Vas na
Grade 2 daw, ayan.
natulog.
Hindi ko na nagsabi na mag-speech pala ako.
Requesting Miss Mags on the spot.
So before anything else, I would like to greet Ma'am Mags. Happy birthday.
Light on. Sus, sayang ba? Ingit-ingit. Kamit-mit baka. Mura. Wala ilang.
Friend, Ma'am, happy birthday. I know you're very blessed kasi parang lahat naman andyan sa iyo. In behalf of Mags, Marketing, from Meta, to all of us, Mags Nationwide, we are really blessed and thankful for having a boss like you and of course your dad. We're very supportive with us, especially sa aming dreams, sa aming mga interests, and kahit sa personal namin, ma'am, na mga problems and issues, you are there for us. So, thank you so much, Mama, in behalf of all Mags Nationwide. Happy birthday in advance. Happy birthday, Sir John.
Ay, birthday ba na Sir John?
Hope, kahit nahihiyo ako, ma'am. Happy birthday, ma'am.